Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to turn on portable hotspot in your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this OnePlus Nord N20 SE and you are looking for how to turn on portable hotspot. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You have to click in your OnePlus N20 SE settings section. After click over there, you will find here something say connections and sharing. After click over connections sharing, you will find here something say personal hotspot. So we're going to turn this on, and now you can see I had successfully turned on personal hotspot in my OnePlus N20 SE. Also we can see there is a hotspot icon. That means my phone has successfully turned on hotspot. But you might be looking for what is the Wi-Fi name or password. So for that, you want to click again this personal hotspot, and then you will see this hotspot setting, and then you will see your host name. If you decide to change this host name, you can easily change the host name. And also if you decide to change your password, Wi-Fi password, you can simply type your Wi-Fi password and you can make it here check. So now you can see I successfully changed my Wi-Fi name and password. So from now, my friends and family, they can easily get Wi-Fi internet connection from my phone by using this SSD name and this password. So within this simple way, you can easily turn on Wi-Fi hotspot in your OnePlus N20 SE. Now you might be looking for how to turn off that. So for that, you need to go again this simplest setting and then click here connection and sharing, and you can simply turn this off. Also there's another quick shortcut way to turn on or off personal hotspot in your OnePlus N20 SE. In order to do that, you need to swipe down just like this, and then you will see a screen appear just like this. You're going to find here something say personal hotspot. So if I click this, immediately my phone going to be turned on personal hotspot. You can see there is a hotspot icon. So if you decide to turn off personal hotspot, you can again go swipe down just like this, and there is a personal hotspot. You can simply turn this off. So within this simple way, you can easily turn on or off personal hotspot in your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.